2, 1. All right, we're at it again. Just start over. 3. All right, we're at it again. Another demonstration of the exercise. We're in PL 300, and this is the create a Power BI dashboard. We've got our VM set up here. 2 hours remaining. Hopefully that'll be enough time. Let's just log in and see what happens. Our username is student. Password is password. All right. Before you start, let's download our files. We're going to copy everything from GitHub, get us all squared away. Let's adjust the window size. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. No, it's too big. Now you can't see me. I want to be seen. Let me be seen. All right, I'll just make it, how about this big? That'll be big enough. And then we will say, boop, to machine. Ooh, get those pixels nice. All right, let's get into our lab instructions. Looks like we're going to open the browser. No, if you've already done it, all right. And then go to app.powerbi.com, or just, why am I being forced to, what happened? I opened, oop, don't touch it, don't touch it, let's see what happens. It doesn't seem good. Where did everything go? Oh, connection issue. Yeah, that sounds about right. Let's retry our connection. All right, back at it again. Throw our password in there. All right, let's celebrate what made 2023 memorable. Let's not celebrate that. I mean, no, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere, maybe. Okay. Enter your email. I guess now you know my email. Ooh, connection not secure. Thank you for playing. Make it secure. We'll get there. We'll get there together. Or we won't. You know, it'll be kind of one or the other. Let's just download the file. It should get downloaded to D drive. Nothing. Nobody. Oh. Failed to download. Try again. Here we go. What's going to happen? What's going to happen? Success. All right, let's go along. So now it says go to Edge and go to app.powerbi.com. Let's just try. I think they try to be helpful and pin it here, but let's go our own way. App.powerbi.com. Take you to the single sign-on. Okay. You just try signing in again with my work account. Nothing. Kind of hard to do anything else if we can't sign in. Let's try to sign into Microsoft Edge first, maybe. No, I don't want any of this. Send into the browser and see what it does. Okay. Wait, oh, that was just opening probably a desktop, I think. Grr. This looks like the real internet. Is this the internet? Internet, yes. Okay, let's try to sign into, I don't know, Office? Just curious if we can sign in to anything, app.pi.com. Takes us here again. No. Okay. Okay. Well, that's unpleasant. What could we do? What could we do? How could we get, let's see what we were supposed to do. Basically, we're going to take a report. Help. Help. It's probably not the help that I want. Let's see. Just keep struggling with this. Got to access your environment. Okay, so it's saying you can create a free developer account to complete the exercise. So that's kind of interesting. Guess I hadn't seen that note before. What does that mean? Join the developer program today. Okay. Signing me in. What is your primary focus? Sure, personal projects. I don't know. I love all the things. Find the taxis. Okay. It looks like I now have a developer account, maybe. Is that going to change anything? I guess we'll see. Where would that goes my other window with the training stuff? Oh, here it is. Is that going to make any difference at all? Let's find out. Already have account? Yeah, I have account. Yes. Seems like it made a difference. So I guess the lesson is read the fine print when you need to know. Okay. So just as a refresher, I was at the summary for the thing, and there was a little thing to click create an account. And so I guess I had to create an account. So we're back on track. We're back at step one. Oh, let me make this a little bit smaller. Where's my face? Oop, here's my face. Here's my VM. All right, let's dig into this. We're logged in. Step one. That's that over there. All right. Now we want to go to my workspace. So I want to create, let's see, in Edge, Power BI service, navigate to my workspace. Workspaces, my workspace. Cool. Now select Upload Browse. All right. I bet we're going to bring in the D drive files that we had. All files, labs, 09, create Power BI dashboard. We are crushing these demos, huh? And then go to the starter folder. Okay. Click open. Replace it. All right. Now let's create a dashboard. All right. In the Power BI service, open the sales analysis report. Report, sales analysis. Good, good, good. Little Fabric logo peeking through. This looks familiar. I think we did this in our last demo. It's a while ago for me, but that's okay. All right, you'll create the sales monitoring dashboard. We'll pin a visual to that report from the report and add a title based on an image data URL, I don't know, and use Q&A to create a title. All right. So in the Power BI service, open the sales analysis report. Isn't that what I just did? Yeah. In the overview page, set the year slicer to 2020. Where's the overview? Where's that slicer? All right, 2020. Good. Set region, select all. Golden. Pin visuals are set with the filter context at the time of pin. If the underlying visual changes, you'll need to update the dashboard title as well. Okay, that makes sense. All right, for time-based filters, it's a better idea to use relative dates or Q&A using the relative time-based question. Okay. 2, create a dashboard and pin a visual. Hover the cursor over the sales and profit margin by month. Sales and profit margin by month. We're going to hover the cursor over here and touch the push pin. Wait, what? I need to be in edit mode or something. Let's see. Hover the cursor over sales and profit margin by month. Yes. And then select the push pin. Where's, there it is. This guy, right? Boop, push pin. We're going to pin this to a new dashboard. Call it sales monitor. Then open my workspace and the sales monitoring dashboard. Okay. So we pinned it. I guess we can go straight to the dashboard. Ta-da! But that should also be in, let's say, my workspace. We see, right, we have the sales analysis report, we have the sales monitoring dashboard. Cool, cool, cool. Notice that the dashboard has a single title. It says sales, comma, profit margin. Okay. To add a title based on a question, in the top left of the dashboard, select Ask a Question about your data. Okay. Select any of the selected questions beneath the QA box. Review the response. What is, this is interesting. So top reseller state provinces by min price. Top reseller country regions by sales percent of group. Top resellers state provinces by sales percent of all regions. What is the sales percent group by reseller state province? I mean, these questions don't seem so interesting, but academically I see what we're doing. So say, what is the profit by title? Okay, somewhat interesting. We can see that sales representatives drive most of the profit, whereas managers do not. That's a little life lesson about management, I guess. And that says, remove all the text from the QA box and enter the following. Sales year to date. Did I select the wrong QA box? Or remove all text. Oh, okay. Now it's showing me that I can say sales YTD and womp womp. Oh, that's actually the right answer. All right, notice we're blank. Because sales year to date is something I created. This measures a time, okay, because we are only filtered on 2020. So extend the question with in year FY 2020. 33 million. So that's pretty cool. And then we can pin this visual using the pin visual button. So this is nice. So basically we're using these semantic questions to sort of ask interesting questions of our data, and then we can pin this to our board. So we might like pin. Am I going to add this to the sales monitoring dashboard? I guess. Oh, just okay. Push pin, and it's added. And so I could exit out of here and keep, coming up with new things. So sales date by product. Let's see how that works. Yeah, by product in FY 2020. Okay. Okay. Product of profit by product. Okay, so that's interesting. You can see how then you could create this and pin this as well. But instead we're going to exit and we're going to see that now I have two visuals. I have this line graph and then sales year to date, which is probably a cumulative of these months. The company logo. Select edit and then say add a title. Okay. Oh, add tile, not title. Add tile. And we can, I guess, add an image tile. And we would display title and subtitle. No. Set custom. Wait, what am I doing wrong here? Add title. Say image and then say next. Did I not say next? Oh, because I was on web content. Image. Next. Oh, okay. So we have to point the image. We're not loading an image, but we're actually going to, the image is hosted somewhere, basically. So we need to go into here and find here. I guess it's in the D drive. Folders, File Explorer. Get down to the D drive, into those files that we had. In resources. But that's the guy. Okay. I guess so, but usually it's like a shorter URL or something. Add an image. Use this old guy. Boom, you get your logo. And then resize the logo. You can drag the bottom right corners. This guy, we would make it big or small. We can probably have it go round. Okay. Do something like this, and then that kiss that. It's nice. Oh, maybe make that a big, I don't know, I guess we'd probably, this is tricky. Probably want this kind of big, and then this little number over here, something like that. Let's see if there's more that we're supposed to do. Organize the type. Oh, so it's saying to do it the other way. So it's saying push the logo into the top left. Put a lot of space over here. Put this over here. That's cute too. All right, then snap this over here to make it bigger or whatever. Either way, good, good, good. So our profit margin is negative for most of the months. That's doesn't seem to be good. Why? So when our sales are high, we're selling something big at a loss in 2019, I guess. All right, let's move along. What else are we looking at? Edit the tile details. So edit the detail and give it a subtitle. Okay, so we would edit the details. We would say FY 2020, just to add clarity. Okay, so that's how the title looks and the subtitle looks like that. So it's easy for people to understand that 33 million references this. I guess we probably want, I guess we have our fiscal year months here, so that's fine. And then edit the details for the sales, comma, profit margin guy. All right. Is there a way that I'm supposed to be doing this better? Edit details. Display the last refresh. That seems important. Okay. So we will do that. Now we're going to do something fancy to force an update, it looks like. All right, so inside File Explorer, the data. So we want to go to the Setup folder and right-click, Update Database, Add Sales thing, and run with PowerShell. That sounds complicated. All files, Setup, Add Sales, P1, right-click, run with PowerShell. If prompted to change execution policy, press A. Okay. Press any key to close. Okay. Prompted to press any key to close, press enter. It could be any key, but we're going to do enter. Okay. And now, if we come back to our buddy here, right? This is a 9-minute-old data, and we don't have June data. Well, okay, wait, we have to go into our Power BI desktop file. We're going to refresh our desktop file, which this is reporting off of. I think that sounds right. Okay, so in this task, you'll open the Sales and Power BI desktop file, perform a data refresh. Okay. What did I miss? The desktop file just in here. Okay. Okay. Maybe not. Resources. Sign in again. See if this is right. In this task, you'll open desktop file, or do I open the desktop file from Power BI? I don't know if this is the same thing that I'm supposed to be looking at. So let's see. Just going to my workspaces again. Is there a, well, here's the semantic model. Let's see. So something's, oh, no, something's got to change for me to get my June data in. And so we know that this is my report. Let's see, let's open the lineage view. We can see maybe where this data is coming from. Power BI desktop file. In the data pane, right click the sales table and hit refresh. Okay, so where am I supposed to get the Power BI desktop file from? What am I missing here? Oops. Oopsies. We'll get this figured out. Let's just double check in the D drive again. Data. No. Instructions. Okay. Resources. That's sales analysis PBX. Is that in fact what we're looking at? I mean, maybe. I don't know what AW is for. So, but if it's this guy, doesn't quite seem right that I would go to in the data pane, right click on the sales table. I don't see any, well, okay, reset of sales. I don't see a sales table, so that would be, I don't think that's what I'm supposed to be looking for. Let's just check in here again. Let's check out the semantic model. Okay. Unable to connect. It says that this was connected. So we're connected to some text file of sales targets. We are connected to this color format thing. We're connected to this data source, even though it says we are unable to connect. Is that true? Well, it says we're not sure. This is interesting. So let's just do F5, and then if we updated the thing where this data is coming from, then we would have the data, because in PowerShell, the little script that we sent is supposed to send it there, and then it would show a new refresh date, I guess, instead of using this as a refresh time, but it doesn't have a refreshed date. Am I reading that right? I wonder if there's a way to change that. Display last refresh time. Just the time, huh? Okay. Close Power BI Desktop. It's almost like just opening Power BI Desktop is supposed to give me what I need. I don't see it here. In files, this feels like it's what I want, but it's not there. Is that right? Something went wrong. All right, lab starter. So inside the starter folder, there should be a sales analysis PBX file, and it is not there. All files. Wait, what am I missing here? What was that? That was P300 labs. Inside the lab, there's a starter file. Okay. Did I have that? Labs, this lab, there's a starter file. Oh, here it is, huh? Okay. Now we are cooking with gas, or at least butane or something. Oh, looks like we're getting somewhere. Yeah. Yeah, this looks more like what I'm looking for. So this is over in the data tab. Is that right? Just right click on the sales table. That's all it takes, really? And then just say refresh the data, please. Okay. I guess you need to apply the changes. I don't know. Oh, you see that? We got June data. So that's nice. So now we have to publish this, right? Just because it's here in Power BI Desktop, that doesn't mean that data has been released here to our workspace yet. I think we still have to publish the data because the semantic model exists inside of Power BI Desktop. That's what I think. I would love for somebody ever watches this, they can tell me I'm wrong, because I'm just learning this stuff, right? Okay. Still looks the same. So we've got our June data, and we need to hit the publish button inside the home group. Where is the publish button? Over here on the right. Conveniently, you want to save that. You say yes. At some point, it's going to say, okay, yeah, sure, in my workspace. I think that's where the other one was. We want to replace this stuff. We want to replace this stuff. That's good. Let's go back, right? Interesting. This says refreshed now. Oh, because I hit refresh, but it didn't have any new data. Where are we going here? Success. Nothing in June. Let's hit refresh again. Rebuilding our values. Hopefully. Said close Power BI Desktop. That shouldn't be necessary, but we'll see. We're still loading this video. Okay, well, we've got the June data in here. Just come back to the dashboard again. Still, oh, there we go. Just had to think. Now it went from 32 to 37. We've got our, I guess this is, what? We've got 3.4 million. I guess it went from 32 to 37. Wouldn't I have expected maybe 5 million to be in here? But ho-hum, ask not. It's refreshed now. Hooray, we did it. Well, thank you for bearing with me as I figured out mostly how to log into things. But this is a good session just to reiterate all the little pieces. And remember, if you have trouble logging in, make sure that your email is signed up with the developer program. That seems to help. All right, till the next one. I'm Josh Knox. Bye.